How to share content from Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to share content from Snapchat. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, simply take a photo or record like you normally would using the camera, and here you can add filters, stickers, text, music to make your snaps more fun before sharing. And once you're ready, you can just tap on send to button, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now from here, you can send it to your friends, your story, or spotlight for public sharing. So here, if you want to share a snap outside the Snapchat, then you simply have to open a snap or a story that you have posted. And now here, let's say if you have posted this to stories, so here you can simply tap on it, and with that, you can simply tap on the share icon, and from here you can simply copy the link of the photo, or you can simply select any app like WhatsApp, Instagram, Message, Twitter to share it externally. And with that, you can also go to the spotlight, and there you can tap on any video that you like, and after that you can simply tap on share and choose any platform to share it to. And that's it. Now you know how to share content from Snapchat. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.